Welcome to Canvas. Canvas is Neota Logic's new app building and prototyping tool. Creating applications with Canvas is as easy as drawing a process map on a whiteboard. Drag and drop elements from your toolbox onto a blank canvas. Add questions and logic. Connect elements together. Apply a custom designer theme. Publish your app immediately to the web. Create logic-driven web applications that enable you to gather data, perform calculations, apply rules, send emails, and generate documents. Canvas applications are 100% compatible with the Neota Logic suite. One click, and you'll have access to the full power of the Neota Logic system. Go from concept to published web application in just minutes with Canvas.